Alright guys, so I'm really not even sure where to start with this, so I'm going to take this one segment at a time, and I'm going to go over what I believe to be the most important chart pattern for a bull run, and this is just my own personal opinion. You know, it is the cup and handle pattern, okay? And so I'm going to go over what it is and why you may not see it so often if you're new to a bull run, or if you've been trading this bear market and haven't really seen it so much. And maybe you have, there's times when you'll see it, but I'm going to go into detail and explain everything about it, and I hope you guys can all take something away from this, because actually, look guys, we're about to see this in real time, so let me go ahead and switch over to order flow. About to see this breakout in real time, okay? So first and foremost, this is our, I'm going to go ahead and switch over to regular, so you guys can see this. So this is our cup, this is the top of our cup line right here, and before this breaks out, this is our handle that's formed. Should we break this trend line? I'm going to show you how to test this in real time. We actually happen to get lucky here. Here's our support, here's our resistances above. Okay, and so we're going to monitor. The most important thing when we're breaking this trend line is volume confirmation right here. And let's pull up the volume, because it's actually giving it to us in real time. So I have these key levels marked out on volume, and that's just for a couple of reasons. I don't need that there. Remove those. Okay, we want to see a very nice uptick in volume. I'm going to monitor this mainly on order flow though. Okay. And so if there is a nice volume confirmation here, huge uptick, we will see a breakout. If we get to this level and we see a lot of negative delta coming in, imbalances, but right now this is open interest going up, prices going up. There's people interested right now currently. All right, so let's see. Let's go to lower time frames right here. 5 minute is probably best. All right, we already have, look at these shorts already trying to come in right here. That's to be expected of the first test of this level. And there you go, you can see that right there. Already getting to this level. Look at this volume, look at this uptake right there. Do you see it? There we are. Not quite enough for me yet. Okay, there's our first resistance right there, our 618. That's why I have it there for us. Let's see what occurs here. Watch this delta. Positive delta, but still price is somewhat rejected from this level. What do we have here? Let's see. Going up. I need to see more volume confirmation than this. 118. That's a lot of volume right there. 118. Oh, look at all these shorts piling in right here. Look at the imbalance of shorts right here. Oh, still, it's not quite yet. New candle opening. Look at this negative delta coming in. Negative delta coming in right here. If we see this overtaken, oh, coming down. See that? Fake out of this level. Appears to be so far, possibly. Where is this next candle right here? We can remove this SR line, which is our 618. Oh, very nice. That is, I expected more of a breakout than this. There we are. And that's a good confirmation for us to enter right there. All right, so we enter right there. We go with the trend. Nice. Yeah, that's good volume confirmation right there. Awesome. Leave the volume mode tick. CBD still bullish. Very bullish CBD. Delta positive. Breakout is confirmed on it. Very nice. And by now we should take profit 1 on this. Look at all this green right here. I know this changed from a video on showing you how this cup of handle patterns form to a live trade, but sometimes you gotta take what you can get.